Hi guys, we're on our way to the airport. Yay! Say hi. Hi! Gabura-bura. Yee! Ito na si baby sa sulod. Sa car seat. Sleepy ang baby. Kiss na say mo baby. Kiss na say mo baby. Check in na ta. Okay, let's go. Okay, done. Next, we're going to Albuquerque. Dallas Anay, and then Albuquerque. And here's our boarding pass. Let's. Okay, done with the churabon. Check-in. It's very hot.
PSA na kami.
Done. Nami man ang smile sa baby ko man. Update. We are waiting for our flight and we are in gate 56. Where is it? Gate 56 is there. We are here and I am here. I'm exhausted. Kaka-stress ko first time ko travel with the baby. Smile, smile ang baby ni mama. Nadama. Nalingaw-lingaw. Nada sa kabit-kabit. Ava. Where's Ava? Naghublas na. Kaya nagpupo ang baby. Naghublas na. Now, we are in Dallas, Texas for the connecting flight going to Albuquerque. I'm just waiting for our boarding time. And that's the gate. Gate 19 going to Albuquerque. Hihi. Gusto yan baliba? Padiin na ikaw, ha? Padiin ka na. Ha? Padiin na. Cute man naman. Cute man na baby ni mama man. Uy. Ha? Wow. Where you going? Ah, where? 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 Where you going? Where you going? Allah. Sino yung istorya mo, baby? Sino yung istorya? Who are you talking? Baby, you excited? Albuquerque already. Just landed.
Ako na, muna kitaan siya mo, baby. Gano'n ka di ako? Gulag-gulag ako de.
May bear.
Tara, let's go.
We are here. Uncle Dave pick us up. The baby is here. So cool. I love it. Guys, update. So we're going to go on an easy trail. Yee-hee. And my baby is diddying. And the viewer is viewing. That is driving. We're going here. It's the entrance. Look at that view. Gigs na namin. Let's go.
Diyan, ito na doon.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Come on, get out.
Not yet. Ano pa ko sa mga bibero na iba?
5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos pabalik.
Then? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And back here?
Yes.
Sa 2. Okay,
It will take 2.2 miles lang. Which is, kung ibutang mo per oras, dasig lang mong 1
Mga 1 to 2 hours.
Good.
Yes.
It says 1.5 to 2 hours.
Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go! And be careful of rattlesnakes. Let's go!
Ay, atong bata.
Yes! Look! Ano karami! Ay!
Baby, tanda mo na yung video ha. Sunday. You want to, New Mexico?
Ba't sa camera ngayon katulog
Ari
sa...
ka diyo, kakatulog ka diyo.
Ala! Ointment sa giyamataw. Okay guys, so puro rocks. Rocks. That's all from volcano. 1,000 years ago. Grabe na. Walking, hiking.
Yeah. We've never seen this guys from before. Now we see cactus.
Yeah, cactus.
Cactus. There's one over there outside too.
And there's one here. Amazing. Okay, let's go on. Nakita lang kami guys yung drawing sa bato. I don't know what they say. It was from decades ago. Dami na, puro bato. Woohoo!
Very good. Very good. Oh, wait. Your picture. Ano?
Oh, dami namin sa background.
Look at that. Just so amazing. Tulog lang ako magkakatulala ko yun.
Ano mo naman? Pula mo naman. Uba na.
Okay.
Didi time!
Baby time.
Feeding time.
Feeding
Feeding
time.
time after an hour nga hike.
Yeah.
Feeding time with the baby!
Very cutesy. Look at that.
Baby day, no ni siya kada ako, hindi makadidi. Ah!
Gutom ako, baby.
Ito, baby. And look at our view. Diba?
Taran. Naglagan. Tan. Amazing. It's just so amazing.
Yes, Maki baby. Oh, marami isang burps ang bibig ko ba? Kuchi, kuchi, bubu. Bubu, bubu, bubu. Kuchi, kuchi, kuchi. Oh, full na ang baby ni mama. Full na ang baby ni mama.
This year.
Di, let's go na. Go back na ka sa trail. Sa
Ano?
trail ah.
Let's go na. Matubang ka naman.
Matubang naman.
Yeah.
Kuchi, kuchi, kuchi. Kuchi, kuchi po. Yay!
Ayun na, tubang ka naman.
Ang
Aba.
Ang gur. Ang dami mong gur.
Ready, tubang naman ah. Tubang ka naman. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, wee. Bahan ka na nih, mo ano? Kami. Oh. Ikut. Hi guys.
Ito yung trail na kami. Pila na lang, 1 hour left?
An hour left.
Yes, 1 hour left.
Oh.
Cute kay Iba.
Tabo na yan lang, mama. Lihog ko, mama. Thank you, mama. Here you go. Thank you, mama.
Let's go! You don't like your dudu-dudu?
She don't know how to use that. See? Cute na yan. Asa ka pa gahigda? Wala
My
higda.
coffee better, my better.